Okay, I think my genius has struck again. I have had pour-overs for a long time, but I don't have a gooseneck kettle. I think last night I had an epiphany, and I realized something. Why don't I use the 90-degree steam wand from my Sage Bambino to brew pour-over? It shoots out water in a thin, straight stream that's 90 degrees hot. It's perfect to brew V60 or Kalita brews. Let's try it out, shall we? So, to get this set up right, it's been extremely finicky because I don't have like a small table and I cannot really lift up the Bambino anymore. Like it doesn't reach the power outlet if I put it any higher. So I found a solution. I have my setup here on a chair, on top of a box, on top of a cutting board. It's about the right height. I will have to aim the steam wand. I'll have to shoot it for about 15 centimeters. Yeah, I think we can manage. Yeah, let's stop beating around the bush and make the best Kalita brew we have ever seen. I didn't think too much about the recipe before I started. But I think I'm just gonna make something standard. Around 15 grams. Yeah. Aiming for, I don't know, 1 to 16 extraction probably. Let's see how this goes. I tried it once, like just hitting inside of the dripper from here. That went okay. Let's see if I can bloom this ground. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. I think it shoots way too hard. Trying to get somewhat of a bloom in there. See, can I get a little bit more maybe? Run this? No! There we go. That's hitting most of the grounds. I didn't start the timer. Oh no. When you do your pour-over brews, do you prefer using a 1:2 or a 1:3 bloom ratio? See if I move it a little bit closer, maybe it will get easier to hit. It's probably been around a minute now, since I forgot to start the timer in the beginning. Let's see if we can get some more water in here. Hell yeah. No! No! Ah! No! Okay, that's good. Swirl this around. Shit. I have water and coffee grounds everywhere. No. Let's add some more water. No, why it keeps doing it? Keeps doing it. No. Guys, I think this is a horrible idea. Okay, now this is good. Maybe it's adding a little bit too much agitation. I think I might be shooting the water straight through the filter. But you know, I think this Lance Hendrick guy was pretty popular. He likes his soup stuff with the espresso. Maybe we're making Kalita soup right now. It's not. I have messed up the filter so much, the water isn't even dripping through. Oh no. Let's add the rest of the water. I said 1 to 16, right? I mean, I can hear it dripping still, even though it's kinda slow. Oh god, no, what have I done? I'll be back when this has finished extracting. I'll taste it for you, but I think we can safely say this is a failure. Can't waste good coffee, so I'm still gonna try it. Well, we're back. For you guys, it's only been a second. For me, it's been almost 3 more minutes. I clogged the filter completely. It's not drawing down anymore. I'm giving up. It's just a little bit left. To be honest, I just can't wait to taste this great Kalita brew. Color just grosses me out for some reason. It looks like filthy dishwater or something. There's absolutely no clarity to, like, it's not even transparent. There's probably half of the grounds probably ended up inside of here, I'm not gonna lie. Well, bottoms up, cheers. Can the Sage or Rebel Bambino do pour over? Oh, no! No, it can't. Don't try. This was stupid. I'm so sorry, guys. Have a good day. I'll post something better tomorrow, I hope.